What's up everybody, Jack here for GoPro's World, and today, welcome to the installment of Walt Disney World, Florida. And today, I'm here at Magic Kingdom with one thing we are going to one of my good favorite rides ever for me. And it's this location. There you are. If you can see it, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad Restaurant roller coaster. So this is true story, everyone. 3 years ago, it was my very first ever roller coaster ride ever. It was nervously at first, but I had a fantastic time on there about 3 years ago. And now I'm coming back here. This time it will be on the GoPro. And anyway, I'll see you all once we're done. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the wild shooting of a yeehaw at Big Thunder Mountain. Enjoy.
And partners, for your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, because this here's the wildest ride in the world.
Let's go! Let's go!
Good?
Brilliant.
Enjoy it.
Yeah. Well. And there you go. So that was Big Thunder Mountain. Oh, it was so awesome, felt one here. It's good to be back there again. The vlog was looking good. I hope everyone's enjoying it. So I recommend this one to everyone. Now, if you haven't been in Walt Disney World or Paris or Hong Kong, China, anywhere else in around the world, my strongly advice, go to Big Thunder Mountain. If you go on there for the very first time, it is wow, fun, and enjoy the excitement for it. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video, everybody, and remember, drop a big massive like for the video, drop down in the comments below your thoughts on this ride here, and also of course, if you have a fun memory of a Big Thunder Mountain roller coaster ride, to say what is your moment and what was your first time, put down in the comment. I'll send a lot of heart for support. Don't forget to click punch the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications to see more videos very soon. Till then, this is Jack here. See you all later.